I'm Peter Pape Weah from Liberia. I'm 20 years old and I'm trying to work on a scholarship application out of Liberia due to my major, which I want to become a medical doctor as a cardiologist. I want to work on the heart. I'm a human being and I love to see everyone healthy. You know, there's a crisis during the Corona time, the Ebola time, and there are a lot of lives lost. In Liberia, there's a possibility to become a medical doctor, but that is, you do not specialize. They are limited. Even computer science, to become a data scientist is impossible. And to become a medical doctor with specialization is impossible because you don't have the materials, you don't have what it takes to specialize. So that's where the hindrance is. There are a lot of kids in Liberia when they want to specialize in the medical field. They don't specialize. They don't even go in the medical field because what? Their dream, some want to become a neurosurgeon, but there's no materials, there's no possibility. And they go and study biology and chemistry, and later on they work at cleaning up or they work at school or do other stuff, but there's no specialization. So I want to go out and impact my country like Europe. It's to impact Liberia. That's my goal, that's my dream. To work on Liberia, to work on the medical system. That's my dream. I know that I will help my family, I will help Liberia. I'm a first generation student in my family. I'm the first one who's taking this whole step to step into college. Yes, like for my parents, they are not in college, they haven't attended high school. And I applied to a lot of universities and their tuition is not high. With the help of scholarships from the institution, it's still high. Some institutions say that it's $55,000 to study abroad. And I received a letter stating that I have 20,000 trustee scholarship. When I was excited, when I read the remaining part of the letter stating that the first year I have to pay 55,000 to complete the registration, that made me sad. Yes, because it's too expensive as an international student. Yeah.
So this is like Ministry of Education, Liberia. They have a scholarship announcement in Morocco, government of Morocco. So that's amazing, that's cool, and it's really like doctoral degrees, and that's amazing for Africans. It's like amazing to go study there. But the thing is, this is the problem. All studies will be conducted entirely in French. What the fuck? You're giving like a Liberian guy a chance and you tell him no, it's in French. Like he's English and man, what is this?
I'm frustrated right now as I speak. I'm frustrated because sometimes I'm happy to receive the offer. Like I did a lot of research and I feel like this university I might be able to connect with the peers, the environment, it might be conducive for me, and I put my all into it and apply and later receive an offer. Not to take the next step, they say 55,000. That's frustrating. Yeah.
How can you become positive again? What's your secret?
What my secret is that I'll go on YouTube and watch others that have been trying. Some people receive letter. They went at the embassy, they got denied. That's more frustrating. I haven't been to the embassy, but I just received a letter and the situation makes me frustrated. So I'm going back to YouTube, see their stories, their videos, and get motivated to start again. So I see myself in Liberia, making an impact, making a difference in Liberia. People can help me out by reaching out to my friend Lena, who's trying to help me out there to connect with individuals that might be able to show me the path to study. And I'm grateful to Lena for what she's doing now. Lena, I love you, Lena.